Hi everyone, it's Dr. Jeff from K. Harris Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Today's video is all about our next workshop that's coming up on October 29th, which is called Sitting is the New Smoking. So if you have a desk job or if you have a family member that has a desk job and you're spending your days sitting, this workshop is essential for you. The Annals of Internal Medicine, so it's a medical journal, recently had an article that started to compare sitting all day to the new smoking. So the title of this workshop is Sitting is the New Smoking for the reason that sitting all day is almost as bad for your health as smoking. Now there are ways that you can change that, and there are ways that we're going to talk about in this workshop so we can change that. But if you spend your day sitting all day long, something needs to change. And the reality is that most of us have a job that we sit for hours and hours at a time. So something needs to change. Now, this workshop is for you if you sit all day and you're looking to be able to figure out how do you prevent problems from happening in the future. So, just back problems and health problems in general. But more importantly, if you're already experiencing things like headaches or just fatigue or tiredness, or you're not sleeping very well, or you feel that your fuse is low and stress is starting to overwhelm you, sitting's a big component of that, but there's some very simple things that we're gonna do and talk about in this workshop. Now, one of the things that I wanna talk about is one simple thing though that you can do and start today on your daily workshop. So one of the big things that we've learned through the research is that you need to get up every hour. So it's not hard. Like people say, oh yeah, I get up every hour, but it's pretty easy for someone to sit down and be seated for 2 or 3 or 4 hours or 5 hours in a day. So one of the most easiest tips that you can do is you need to set your alarm on your cell phone or set an alarm on a computer or find some type of timer app that counts down every 60 minutes. And every 60 minutes when it goes off, you get up and move around for 3 to 5 minutes. So take a walk around the office, go get a drink of water, go up and down the stairs a few times if you have stairs in your office. Do some air squats, kind of up and down, moving around, do some stretching, but just get off your chair. A sit-stand desk is helpful, but you need to move. So just spend that 5 minutes actually moving around, recirculating your blood. You'll find by doing this, by the end of the day, not only will you feel more focused during the day, you're gonna have a significant amount of more energy as you kind of finish your day and wanna move on with the rest of your life when you finish work. So please join us. If you're having any of these problems, if you sit all day, if you're looking to promote your health, or if you're already having some health issues or back pain or headaches or those fatigue things that we've talked about, join us. The link is on the bottom. It's a completely free workshop we offer to all of our patients and friends. It's hosted at K. Harris Chiropractic office. It will be at 6:15 at night on October 29th, and it's about 45-50 minutes long. There'll be times to answer any questions that you may have or anything that we can probably do to help. But this presentation is all content driven, meaning that the purpose of the talk is to be able to give you information that you can start to implement in your life as soon as you leave that day. So if you want more information, please make a comment below. We'll do our best to answer any of your questions. But if you're interested, please sign up. We obviously have limited space in our office for all of you that have been in there. We just have so much space to be able to fill in that front room there. But please sign up early, and I look forward to seeing you for our talk. Until then, have a great day.